Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go. Color name: pink color, red color, brown color, black color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, magenta color, blue color, yellow color. So let's go kids. This is color box: white color, blue color, green color, red color. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter Z. G is for God. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for house. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Bye bye kids.